Good afternoon, student. Today I'll teach you science subtopic of crop production and management, that is irrigation. Children, I hope you have done whatever work I have given in the last class. Thank you. Okay children, let's start your lesson, that is irrigation. Before we start this lesson, I'll tell you about the previous class. Whatever I taught, that one is crop production and management, that is first chapter. I taught you in there about the season of the crop, like Kharif season and Rabi season, and nutrients whatever required to growth of the plant, like manure and fertilizers. Today I'll teach you about the irrigation. Children, you know what is irrigation? Irrigation, it is a supply of water in the crop field. Such type of supply of water in the crop field is known as irrigation. Water is very essential for the growth of the plant. Plant contain nearly 90% of water. Without water, there is difficult to growth of the plant. Water is essential for the germination of seeds and growth of the plant. Whatever nutrients also dissolve in the presence of water. So children, it is very important water for the growth of the plant. There are different sources of irrigation, that are wells, tube wells, ponds, lakes, rivers, dams and canals. That different sources are used by the farmers to supply the water to the crop field. So farmers use mainly two methods for the supply of the water. First is traditional method of irrigation. In the traditional method of irrigation, children see first one is the moat and another is the chain pump. Next is the rahat. Another is the Dekli. Here all are run by the pumps and it is used by this. All pump are run by diesel, petrol or biogas, electricity or solar energy. So children, another method, this traditional method is cheaper but not efficient method, less efficient, so it is not fulfill the needs of the farmer. So farmer use another method, that one is known as modern method of irrigation. Modern method of irrigation help farmers to use water economically, or it help us also to use the water economically. So children, there are two systems of modern method. First is sprinkler method and another is drip method, or sprinkler system or drip system. In the sprinkler system, if the land is uneven, if there is everywhere unevenly plant is grown, how to supply the water in such type of area, this sprinkler method is used so that all the plant get equally water. Another system of supply of water is drip system or drip method. In this method, the plant get water wherever required. this method water falls drop by drop just at the position of the roots. So it is that system is known as drip system or drip irrigation. See here, whatever water is required to the particular plant, there only drop by drop the water is provided. So it helps farmers to save the water where there is less amount of water in this such area, and this drip method or drip system is very effective in such area. So children, next is the protection of crops from weeds. In the last class also I taught you about the weeds. What is weeds? I think you know. Weeds is the undesirable plants which affect the crop plant. So it is very essential to remove the weeds. Weeds are removed by using the weedicides, so that if we not remove these weeds compete with the crop plant, and whatever nutrients, fertilizers, whatever water and light also, it also consumed by the weeds, and it is affect the crop. So it is very essential to remove the weeds. So children, next is when this crop is fully mature, then there is a time to harvest the crops. Harvesting is the method farmers use. That in the harvesting of a crop is an important task. That one, the cutting of crop after it is mature. When the crop plant is fully mature, then there is cutting of the crop. That process is known as the harvesting. In harvesting, crops are pulled out or crushed to the ground. It usually takes 3 to 4 months for a cereal crop to mature. So that is done by the farmer. Harvesting is very essential step or process for the. After that, farmers, when harvest also, finally farmer store the crops. Whatever crops they have to store. During the storage also, farmers become very careful. Otherwise, whatever crops is eaten by these insects, rats and microorganisms. Here also farmers, they have to use the chemicals like pesticides, insecticides, rodenticides to kill the pest, insect and rodents. So children, farmers, they have to work hard and they use different types of bags also, like for to keep the crops safe. After from the plant, whatever food item we are getting, after that we are getting food from the animals also. Some food you everybody know, like milk, ghee, butter, cheese, meats, that all food items we are getting from the animals also. So children, the rearing and management of cattle in a large scale is known as animal husbandry. Farmers not only grow the plant, they rear and management also done of the animals. So we have to see this also and read properly such paragraph and try to answer this question. What is irrigation? Describe 2 methods of irrigation which conserve water. What are weeds? How can we control them? What is harvesting? Define the following: pesticides, rodenticides. What is animal husbandry? So children, whatever question I have given previous also, this also, all you will do when school will reopen. I'll do correction this all. Thank you.